The next posture is called grasp sparrow's tail. I'll demonstrate again. So from here, we're going to turn the waist to the right. The left side of the body, that's the arm and the leg, will turn with the turning of the waist. And the left hand will come to the outside of the right wrist, but don't touch. So I'll demonstrate once more. Turn the waist, left arm and left leg become empty and turn. The fingers of the left hand come to the outside of the right wrist. And this arm doesn't, it just does this. And I'm turning. But my center is still oblique. So I'm not moving the arm. From here, so the actual elbow doesn't move. And my center line is now facing at a 45-degree angle from where it was. And the knee must stay in. Be careful of this. Okay, so when you turn your waist, because you don't release in the hip joint, you're going to tend to push your knee out and bring your foot off the ground. So relax the waist. Also, be careful not to bring the knee in. So relax the waist and the knee will stay out. So, a couple of problems. First of all, the back of the foot coming off the ground. By releasing the hip joint, it will stay on the ground. And the other thing which you can't see from that side is that you turn the elbow to the outside. So the elbow should stay down all the time. The hands line up. The elbow, as I demonstrated in the previous video, just must stay down. And the arm doesn't move. So to here, then bring it, the fingertips to the outside. Yeah. It's not a bit too much weight in the back leg. Try and release into the front. And the other important thing is from the knee to the ankle should be a straight line, or as straight as possible. But must never come here. So if you step too short, your balance is going to move to here instead of being more in the center. Okay, again. Head. Your head is heavy. If you bring it forward like this, it's going to pull you forward like a weight on a lever. So there must be no gaps, so the hand should be here, about a couple of centimeters off the forearm, and the fingers straight. Don't curl the fingers like this. The Tai Chi hand, or Chen Manching used to call it the beautiful lady's hand, obviously not me, but the fingers must be more or less straight with slight gaps in between and all pointing in the same direction, not like this or like this. Relaxed but concentrated. Okay, good.